Have you ever wondered what happens to trash after we throw it away? And did you know that everything that we throw in the trash can be reduced, reused, and recycled? Anything as far as plastics, paper, aluminum, all those things can be broken down and reused again. And all of those things can start in the home. And if we can make recycling a part of our daily routine, we can create a better and a cleaner world for ourselves and for our future. The health of humanity is negatively affected by pollution due to the lack of recycling. And so are the creatures in the water that are getting tangled up in plastic can wrappers, and all of the plastics that's burnt down gets in the air that we breathe. And it's really important that us as people who live in this world are educated on how big of an effect recycling can have on our environment. And everyone can do their part. And if everyone recycles and everyone starts now, we can make a big enough impact to end pollution altogether. Too many people are not recycling, and they're not taking the time to sort out their trash, and is creating new metals, plastics, paper products. It uses more energy, which is costing the government more money, which is costing us money out of our taxes. So recycling will benefit us money-wise, and that is just only a fraction of the positive benefits that recycling could have. Harmful chemicals and greenhouse gases are released from landfills and rubbish, where all of our garbage goes, all of the garbage that can be reused again. Throwing away plastics, metals, glass, and paper is filling up landfills as well as polluting our drinking water. And the lack of recycling affects our health, as well as the homes of the animals. There's going to be nowhere for animals to live, to be free, to be healthy, if they're going to be oil spills and garbage in the water, and the water that they drink, that they breathe, will be polluted. And our health is at risk due to the poor air quality because of all the smoke and all of the materials that are not natural that are being burnt up. We are also losing trees to create new paper projects, rather than just simply recycling them in a separate container. And with the help of mandatory recycling, pollution will be put to an end. And my idea of helping everybody recycle and to make it easier for us is to provide recycling containers for each household. And the city will provide those recyclable containers to you, as well as making sure that there is a recycling center to collect these products that are local. And making these centers and sorting containers accessible will make it easier for people to recycle. And for those who do not use their recycling bins that are given to them, will be given a fine. And hopefully that will be an incentive to push people to want to make a difference and recycle. It's as easy as throwing your bottle into another container next to your trash bin instead of just tossing it in with everything else. Recycling not only helps us health-wise, it also saves the government money. The city won't need to pick up as trash as often as they do, because all that will be in the trash are things that can't be recycled. And the dumps will fill up slower, so we won't need to have more landfills. And the government will make money on the gas for the garbage trucks that won't need to use as much gas because they won't need to pick up as much trash. And anybody who decides not to recycle will be paying fines, which will also benefit government money. So the result of recycling will be that the health of humanity will be saved as far as recycling goes, as far as our drinking water and our air goes. And pollution will be put to an end. We will save energy by reusing recyclable products rather than having to manufacture new products, which cost money. And together we can work. We can work together as a team to create a cleaner world. Recycling really is easy, and it takes a little time. And with local and easy accessible recyclable centers and bins, we can all recycle with minimal effort. And recycling can bring us together and save the world for years to come.